And when you were just talking about the subscription, like I said, I put it in the chat that just randomly, I say through the grace of God, I came across your video and I just like this weekend, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna watch all these videos, and they kind of play automatically by themselves anyway. So I'm really excited. But when you mentioned the subscription, once you the subscription for yourself or other people to join your community, when you create that,
Uh-huh.
what do you like? What are we providing the people in that subscription, and how often are we like I know you said you could just do one cooking show a week for a year and you kind of should be set, but that's different from the subscription, right? Or is it all
Nah,
together?
it's the same thing.
Okay. So your
And
subscription would be a part of that once a week cooking show that you want people to sign up for.
you're talking about what you are offering to your customers?
Yeah, I wanted to know like if we're creating a subscription for 20 to $50, I know you just mentioned 50.
Yeah,
Um, if we are offering that to people, like what are those people gonna get for our $50 subscription?
for their yeah.
Yeah, for
So
theirs.
what are you gonna offer them, Nakia? This is your house. You inviting people over. What are they gonna get?
Right. That's what I'm like. That's what I'm trying to ask you. Like, what am I saying? Am I giving them that once a week cooking show? Am I giving them cooking lessons? Am I for the $50 a month? Am I doing something more than once a week? Am I,
That
yeah.
you that there's no way for me to answer that. What do you
Okay.
want to do? What kind of experience do you want to deliver to people? What kind of experience are you capable of delivering to people? I don't know what your skills are. I don't know what your schedule looks like. I don't
Mhm.
know what your vision is, what you want to do. Like, this is just imagine it as your version of the Food Network. If people said, okay, if somebody from the Food Network said, all right, we're gonna put you in charge.
Mhm.
We want to do things differently. We want some fresh ideas, and we're gonna put you in charge. Do whatever you want. That's what this is. So it can be as much as you want, it can be as little as you want. And even whatever you decide to do right from the beginning is going to change after you start doing it. You just, there's no way to know where this road is going to go, but you just
Mhm.
got to start traveling on it. So
Gotcha.
the ideas and the things that you decide to do today are going to be different 6 months from now, a year from now, a year and a half from now. But you just get started and you know, something that you might think is going to be a cornerstone of your programming. After you do it a few times, you might be like, I don't even like this. And then you
Mhm.
will drop that and do something different because you discovered something else that you like better in the process of doing that first thing. But that's how that works, man. You start with a foundation. The once a week show is a great foundation. The pre-recorded show, you might want to do live sessions periodically, once a week, once a month, something like that. Like now we got a small session, just us four folks in here. You can do something like this in addition to your weekly show if you want. Just a quick 15-20 minute thing, whatever you want to do. Like it really is, what do you want to do? Here's the keys,
Mhm.
do what you want. So what do you want to do?
Yeah, that's a good question. I mean, ultimately the cooking classes, um,
Well, what are you trying to accomplish? You want to
yes.
use a cooking show to accomplish what?
Yeah, I haven't figured all of this out, but it's like I feel like there's different components and I want it to all come together. You said, what do I want to accomplish with a cooking show? There's so many different things, and I feel like
Like what?
definitely,
Like what?
definitely teach people how to cook. Um, Mainly I'm thinking I want to gear it towards kids, teaching kids how to cook, ultimately, I think, but I'm not really sure. No?
Nah, you can't start there because
Okay.
they a lot of people make that mistake wanting to teach kids. Well, if you're teaching little kids, then your target audience is families, this
Hmm.
which is fine. But
Hmm.
don't be trying to teach like the teenager and up to young adult. Don't try to people. Many people make because you're trying to teach them what they need to know, and they don't care about what you think they need. So that's
Right.
just not, and they don't have money. So
Right.
and kids don't have money either.
Right. They got to
So
get it from their parents.
you
Okay.
gotta, it's gonna be mom or dad signing up for that subscription. So just keep that in mind.
Okay.
If you're trying to do if you want to teach little kids, then what you're talking about is a family oriented cooking channel because you got to get the money from mom or dad.
Gotcha. Yeah, well, I'm gonna still go, I'm at the drawing board right now. So that's part of it. But, cooking is my passion. So in any form of fashion that I can get into it. That's what I'm trying to. And this just seems like, like I hear you say in your videos, like the first video was the chefs over 40. That was the first one that just came out randomly on my, and I was like, God, is this a sign? You know what I'm saying? Like that's how I felt. It was, you know what I'm saying? So
Yep.
that's where I started and I've been like hooked ever since. Okay, my next question is you talk about do your first practice video. So this weekend,
Yep.
I just been recording myself when I'm doing whatever, but however, I'm not on the screen, I'm not talking. Is that a good version of your practice video or no?
Yeah, it's good to get started.
Okay.
So uh that's definitely one of the methods that I recommend to folks to get for them to get started. But if you go back to the big picture that we're talking about here, a
Mm-hmm.
cooking show on TV, because
Mm-hmm.
YouTube is the number one TV streaming service in the
Mm-hmm.
US.
Mm-hmm.
A cooking show on TV means you standing in front of the camera and teaching people. If you're really trying to build a business and make real money, the easiest way to do that, people make a connection with people.
Yeah.
So, you know, that's the what I teach. Some folks don't want to be on camera, and you can build a business and be successful not on camera, but that's just not what I teach.
Right.
I teach you can use that to get started. I encourage folks to, I don't care what the means are, start incorporating a camera into your kitchen activities. Whether you're actually on camera in the beginning or not is irrelevant to me. Just get started, start using this device you carrying around with you all the
Mm-hmm.
time
Mm-hmm.
and start teaching and then work your way into standing in front of the camera and presenting and doing all of that. But yeah, that's an excellent way to get started. For me, is the most important thing is getting started. You got to stop thinking about stuff and start doing. And then
Mm-hmm.
as you start doing, you start finding a whole lot of the answers that to the questions that you have.
Exactly. Thank you for that, sir. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. So don't overthink your show because I hear you saying, I heard a couple of things that concern me as far as like this planning. Remember, all a cooking show is you sharing your knowledge, you teaching folks how to cook, how to eat better. Just
Mm-hmm.
start there. And until you are showing up once a week with a video doing just simply that, all these other big things that you have in mind, those things are not possible. You got to start. You can't start on the fifth floor. You got to you start building, you got to lay that foundation,
Right.
then the first floor, then the second floor, then the third floor, and then fifth. But there's no point in worrying about the fifth floor if you haven't started with the foundation. So don't overthink it. Just focus on the task that's in front of you right now. And right now, that task is publishing a video every week.
Okay. Thank you.
Very welcome. Go ahead.